how to get Honeytoon subscription. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or check out what's available on the subscription features that Honeytoon can offer. So first is, of course, head straight into Honeytoon's official website and make sure that you already created an account. So after creating an account, click on this option here that says account at the top right. And then from the membership and coins, choose on become a member. So as you can see, there are four specific features that you can use. If you only want to access it 1 week, then you can choose on full access for 1 week, and you can also cancel anytime for this specific price right here. Same goes with 4 weeks, 12 weeks, and 24 weeks. Now you can click on other options, and you can also use the coins that you purchase from Honeytoon for you to use a full access. Now, tick this box, and once you click on continue, you will automatically be redirected into the payment tab option. And that's it. That's how you get Honeytoon subscription.